Let's get you an update on the Indian markets now. BSE Sensex and Nifty, the Indian equity benchmark indices, have surged in opening trade on Thursday. Nifty reclaimed 22,800 points, and also Sensex is up by 650 points. Among the sectors, except FMCG and pharma, all other indices are trading in the green, with capital goods, oil and gas, power and realty up 3 to 5%. SBI, NTPC, Coal India are the top gainers. All right, DD India correspondent Shama Mishra joins us from Mumbai for more on this. Shama, when we talk of the current action at the markets, in the markets today, then the dust and the uncertainty has somewhat settled now, and we see the markets trading in the green. Let us get more from you. Is this short-lived, or for how long do we expect this to continue?
Well, Preeti, we have been talking about how the markets came out of the euphoria of the exit polls and faced the reality on Tuesday. And by Tuesday evening, we did see some major announcements, important announcements, that NDA for the third consecutive time will be forming the government. Since then, we are seeing that markets are trading in green, and currently Sensex is up 75,200, and that is almost more than 1%. Even Nifty is trading at 22,800 plus, so that is also about 1% up. Here we are understanding that the traders, the market is trading cautiously right now because till the government is formed, till the swearing-in ceremony is done, it will be cautious trading. And there can be some volatility. However, after what we saw from the exit polls, the markets had rallied. We are not seeing that kind of rally, but yes, it will be in green because markets have got that satisfaction. Markets have got that confidence in them that there will be stability, there will be continuity for the next 5 years, and there are also news going on, reports going on that the swearing-in ceremony would be taking place on 8th of June. So markets are counting on that as well, and there are so many factors, so many domestic factors to which markets are actually reacting to green. Also, we are about to have Reserve Bank of India's monetary policy announcement tomorrow, and markets would be keenly watching that process also. And we are expecting, a lot of industry experts are expecting that there will be status quo maintained from the Reserve Bank of India's Monetary Policy Committee, because inflation is still out of the comfortable range of RBI, and the Reserve Bank of India also has to boost the growth, has to support the growth. So all these going on, we can expect markets to trade in green. However, it is going to be a cautious, advisable trade.
Preeti. All right, cautious, advisable trade is the word of advice to our investors. But then, Shama, we tell our viewers that FMCG, realty, power, oil and gas, these were the sectors which performed with regard to the Sensex trading in the green. Now, let us get more from you as to would these sectors continue to be good performance during this good run, or do we expect some changes? Any word of caution for the investors from your side?
Experts are saying all words of caution over here right now. Do not go into overboard, and everyone is suggesting it should be long term. It should not be short term, and in the long term it will be gains, it will be profit for everybody, because we understand all these sectors related to India, the India specific sectors. You've already mentioned that FMCG, power, infrastructure, electric vehicles, all these sectors would be gaining, and because we understand there are several reforms already in place, and there will be a lot of reforms coming into place after the government is formed. And we've also heard Prime Minister giving us the 100-day agenda, and even on the Tuesday speech, he has mentioned, Narendra Modi has mentioned that there will be more thrust on women empowerment, youth empowerment, more enhanced production of mobile semiconductors. So we understand these sectors will be trading in green, and given the fact that EV is something which is emerging, the infrastructure is still not readily everywhere, is not made readily everywhere. That is also going to be one thing which everyone would be looking at. And a few takes from the last year's budget where the thrust was also on the solar energy and how the infrastructure is to be created, infrastructure has to be developed, and more eyes would be on the upcoming budget, because we understand this would be a proper concrete budget wherein the sectors which will be showing positivity and giving a thrust to the Indian economic data will be in the limelight and will be getting more attention. So all these sectors related to India, specific to India, will be trading in green, will be having a good run. And said that investors are saying, the traders, experts are saying it is to be cautiously traded because the markets can see some correction, can see some volatility right now. But all the eyes are on the swearing-in ceremony and the formation
Yes.
of the government for the third consecutive time, because that means stability and continuity of reforms for the next 5 years. Preeti.
All right, Shama, we'll leave it here. Thank you for joining in with those details. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated Mexico's new